Making pumpkin Cool Whip candy. Oh my goodness, this sounded too good to be true. So 1 tub of Cool Whip. Now this is a double, so I'm just using half of this. Then my pumpkin puree, the recipe is in the description below. My pumpkin pie spice. Okay, now we're just mixing this all together. I need to take my ice cream scoop and make little balls here. I'm gonna try something else. Let's throw this in a piping bag. I think that would be a whole lot easier. Yeah, that's the way to do it. And put this in the freezer and let them set up, and then we are going to dip them. All right, these actually turned out super cute. Look at how cute those are. So, in my opinion, I would pipe them if I were you, okay? So, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna see what this tastes like. Okay. That is really tasty, but I think it's seizing up my chocolate. So I'm gonna see if it will let my chocolate melt, but oh my goodness, that is really good. That is darn tootin' good, actually. But what I would do instead is I would make these little puffs, freeze them, and then put them in your coffee. That would be super delicious.